Oh, it's here for Assemble create Ghana. Oh, assemble and no the same. It's here for dear you and you say American musician near your friend Cardi B. Cardi B you be a Sebe, Ocean in Pokia, Ejina so. When they meaning Cardi B for the say, oh shaking in Pokia, and say yes, we shaky. Na Cardi B aba Africa. Yeniaji, and Drani and Drechi or Nigeria or Klabe in Sembebre. And there Cardi B ebe bosho ewa Ghana. Na ende na Cardi B do Ghana ye den no call Kempiski Hotel ne nyama ne niaje tese e ya dia ekoso ye beti ane say yes meet and greet with Cardi B. Afe Ghanaian female celebrities say womo asesa womo hu say zoo womo si womo koshia Cardi B na ye invite womo say womo mbra hotel na Cardi B wono tese wo hwa Akrapin Polo Efia Schwarzenegger Hajia for real Sama Mumin Becca say chese Nkofu bebre Ghanaian musicians Ghanaian actor Victoria Lebene Wendy Shea Fantana Lydia Force, and I think I also saw Obia as a nurse and Anama McBrown crack chese Nko Ghanaian musicians Mekan Ghanaian female stars bebre Becca put the wonini kunu ene koe Ghanaian stars si bebre ya say ya from organizers of the show atonsa from say womo mbra na womo enko chia Cardi B meet and greet with Cardi B na as a Ghanaian no o entertainment scene nim na wo bia wo free abrochi aba na ya tonsa from say brabe chia na enye obi ka na beka to say yentem wow the American into share Ghanaian musicians here. There's a bronya tare and a woman ya sheshe na gidi. Womo si womu koshia Cardi B. Nkofu area Mosimu koshia Cardi B meet and greet ye hu videos Kempiski ye chen say ye be hu videos of you guys actually meeting and greeting Cardi B. Ye be hear say 4 hours later Ghana fuya and Ghana female celebrities here womo ko say womo eko shia Cardi B no. Afe womo ababonten complaini womo ye videos complaini ebimu mbedi Cardi B atem di natem obi amuko shia na afe ye ba ne sen na mudi natem ye do asem sukwa ye see womo akogina ho from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock Cardi B womba womo nkonkongo sha Cardi B na tese woda swimming pool ni mu wo Kempinski ho wo richichinga obi ankrofo aba u hotel na the etia wo mo ka say ye friend krofo we say wo mo mbra ne say wo hwe Cardi B ni Instagram wo do Ghana na ye de ne ko ni hotel room no ka say we de wo pese wo frɛ bad girls e wo Ghana no mo ba ne ho no mo ye party nti bi susu say eno enema ye organizer si fresh ha female Ghanaian celebrities si say wo mo enko chia Cardi B na wo mo ba over 4 hours womu jina Kempiski ho twen Cardi B beba yeti ye ni ko hwe Cardi B na wo swimming pool ha wo richichinge na sa ne ya de somebody say mo be ma Cardi B akọ richichinga na ya ba begina ho ma ye ni megu ase a na ngamo nka ne ye nkwe mama ya ba be twen ye ni age wo mo be ye live video say hey Cardi B oba enche wo be ba ye ni age say Cardi B ye ne be kasa inti nkrofo kasa ende ame no kasa wo muni na so far obia ye video obia wo be kasa etia Cardi B kasa etia no obia be kasa etia organizers na kasa etia organizers na Hajia for real na ni video no me hwe the first na nsema body to just say eye ne ya pa a big disrespect because na wo ye na ade na organizers na officially wo mu inviting na say wo mbra Cardi B pese wo hu no afi wa ba de modi ye nini Efia Schwarzenegger nso we jala ni bufu didi Cardi B atem meanwhile some few moments ago now we Efia Schwarzenegger wow can say hey Cardi B your twin na we bedu Ghana afi de ya wane ba ni wu di na tem Victoria Lebene nso ye video kasa ade na moya sa eka people no nso de we ye video na ono eka people no kasa we no they won't blame Cardi B we no de osusu say Cardi B no she doesn't even know anything about this. But we know that people know who they say organizers no. Now if you ask Schwarzenegger so can ya we say organizers they say oh Cardi B will be available 8:30. You know say When is like Cardi B be available 8:30 na mo aka tre yen. Ema ye nia yakọ hyehyehye yen tare fefefe. Ye Christmas entale, wo mo mbehye hill. Slay Queen si utumi wa entare a wo mo ahyehye a wo mo de aba we nye easy. When is like Cardi B ho nya available sisi o be available 8:30. E na mo invite yen ama ya ba ho. Inti ende ukọ Twitter male Ghanaian ana Ghanaian male celebrities ni na wo ma ba wo mo tro a wo mo sre Ghana just say me person me reading some of the tweets from Ghanaian celebrities still now who say me a Ghanaian celebrities in Bema no asem na ba say wo mo ye we no wo mo sre Kwame Eugene atro ene Cardi B Kojo Sheldon see at they die and only asema Kojo Sheldon atro me person me reading from other Ghanaian celebrities and so Joey B so atro I say hey Charlie yawa at they die and also ni asema Joey B so atro and go for baby Chris Wado say Cardi B we a fucking papa and only asema Chris Wado atro medical say at least Chichenga go course now or not as a medically be say oh and they say see the Ghana Chichenga ne bo be dem pound and only asema medical little Joey B the Joey B and kasa trend was say year of kebab and only asema Joey B tro year of kebab Kojo Sheldon nso de esre na no wasre DKB nso de tro and was say oyiwa Cardi B wahala if you can't do why waste people's time and only asema DKB nso atro Joey B say hey medical also say oh Ghana no I dey die for here and only asema medical also atro sa ko de ni manager no wono po de wo ba bonten be sre keke wo be sre ye and aye ni manifest the same see ya na wo person wo throw deep things about it na asema manifest throw wo say wo quote ye wo say see this life if no I say see this life you for there for the people who there for you mama fa ni biom I say see this life you for there for the people who there for you not to say asema manifest trying say ewiase we wo mo asebe wo mo wo ho ema no omo na e wo say also wo ho ema wo mo Kojo Sheldon nso de esre na wo sre etiefo nye easy o etiefo nye easy na ba na mo anso de wo trying say all jokes aside it was absolutely wrong to invite people for an event and then disrespect them this way. Whoever made the calls must apologize to them. And only asema na ba na mo troye owie no sanso de tia say they could have spent the afternoon in their homes. You call and insist they turn up only to change a meeting time from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. Not just na ba na mo akra etre say ade ne kra no wo mo wo ho ne ye frɛ mo mini se na ba na mo akɔ dia ba pictures ni videos a me hunu na ba na mo na onim na asema na ba na mo eka wo say one ngofu wo ogufie e na wo frɛ mo se bo mo mbehia Cardi B 2 o'clock omo ba ya mo se mo atwe akɔ 4 o'clock omo se okay ye Cardi B nti ye betwen na afi 4 o'clock ne ba ya mo mbra bonten be kasa mo se 8:30 8:30 sesen nti na ba na mo aka eka se ade we de enye cool ade a enye baako se etiefo eno ene asema eda ho a omo a wo mo be sre wo mo a tese wo mo be ya sre sen wa onim Ghana de obi say Cardi B told you that obi say we should blame the organizers. Cardi B did nothing wrong and I will be a reply say Cardi B did nothing wrong saying and Cardi B no trewa na and only asema will be medical answer the atro say ballistic of a talk one press and only asema obi say see how all of you have one-on-one lunch date with Cardi B and only asema will be so and they are babato na say you inviting grofu we no mo ni age say oh Charlie you go share Cardi B na wokwa Instagram asenia Achipalago ne ni age a wo sere no enye easy just say Achipalago de wo ka say Ghana for de yenimo Cardi B abebo de mo be kwa hyehyɛ no matre sebe enimguase atomo na wo kan endu one day mpo ena tese enimguase we ayeden aba nti Achipalago de sere a wo sere no na wo bi asema wo betro ne say masa Ghanaians like that thing. Nobody called them. And another band I'm replying the back on the car said, nobody called them saying, I said nobody called them saying they will just abandon their homes and turn up at Kempinski because some of them showed up because of the relationship they have with the organizers. It's here for no any insema edaho. Montreal Madrid, our comments box, Nimo, Medase.